What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, if a signal f of t has energy E, the energy of the signal f of 2t is equal to what? Now to find this one out, first we have to know the energy equation. F of t, for f of t the energy equation is given by integral negative infinity to infinity and f of t in mod square dt. So this is the energy equation. Now let's see how we can use this energy equation. We have to bring this pattern and we have to compare what are we going to get for f of 2t. Now let's see. F of 2t is going to be equivalent to integral negative infinity to infinity mod f of 2t square dt. Okay. Now we want to have some pattern similar to this one, the first one. So to bring this pattern, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2t is equal to p. I'm going to use some other variable. Therefore, t is equal to p by 2. So dt is going to be equivalent to dp divided by 2. Okay. I just rearrange this one. T is equal to this one equal. So here you can see 2t is equal to p, t is equal to p divided by 2, and if I take the derivative, this is going to be dt is equal to dp divided by 2, because I'm going to replace this dt with dp divided by 2, and also I'm going to replace this 2t with p. In that way we will get a pattern similar to this. Now let's go ahead and do that. So what we will get is negative infinity to infinity f of p. Instead of f of 2t I'm putting f of p whole square. Instead of dt, I'm replacing that one with dp divided by 2. So this is going to be dp divided by 2. Since 1 over 2 is a constant, I can move that one to the front. So this is going to become what? 1 over 2 integral negative infinity to infinity f of p whole square dp. And if you look at this pattern, this is energy, right? This is the energy equation we have right here. So this is E, and here we have half. So finally we end up with E divided by 2. So the answer for this question is going to be E divided by 2. That's B. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.